Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot internet connection issues on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best results, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go and select the update and security tile near the bottom, and then select troubleshoot on the left panel. On the right side, there should be something that says additional troubleshooters. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to select internet connection, find and fix problems of connecting to the internet or to websites, and select run the troubleshooter. And give that a moment here. And then you can try and troubleshoot your connection to a specific website or perhaps directly to Microsoft.com, and just give that a moment there. And then hopefully that would resolve the issue. If not, something else we can try here as well, if we close out of here, would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best results will come back with command prompt. Right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to run that. Should come back with Windows IP configuration, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, and then space reset. Hit enter. Successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here and then restart your device. And that's all you have to do. So hopefully that was able to help resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.